If you want to quickly share your Gamma project, copying the project link is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy a Gamma project link in just a few simple steps, so you can send it to teammates, clients, or anyone else without any confusion. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Gamma project you want to share. Make sure you're inside the correct project before you do anything else, because the link you copy will point to that exact project. Once the project is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the Share button. Gamma usually places sharing options there, so they're easy to access. Go ahead and click Share. This will open the sharing settings for your project. Before you copy anything, take a moment to check the sharing permission. This part is important because it controls who can view the project once you send the link. Depending on how your project is set up, you may want it to be viewable by anyone with the link, or restricted to specific people. Always make sure the permission matches how you actually want to share it. After confirming the sharing settings, click Copy Link. Gamma will automatically copy the project link to your clipboard, which means you won't need to highlight or manually select anything. That's what makes this so easy and fast. Once the link is copied, you can paste it wherever you want, whether that's in an email, a chat message, a document, or even on social media if your sharing settings allow it. To paste the link, just click into the place where you want to share it and use Paste. If you're on Windows, that's usually Ctrl+V. If you're on Mac, use Command+V. Once pasted, the Gamma project link will be ready to send. That's it! You've now copied your Gamma project link and can share it wherever you need. This is a simple but really useful feature, especially when you're collaborating with others or sending a project for review. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.